Ever wondered what to do if you or a loved one gets caught up in a truck accident in Las Vegas? Finding the right lawyer can feel like navigating a maze, right?
Absolutely, with so much at stake. Medical bills, lost wages, emotional trauma. You need someone who knows the ins and outs of Nevada's legal system, especially when it involves commercial vehicles.
So, where do you even start looking?
Well, first off, experience is key. You want a lawyer or a firm that specializes in truck accidents. These cases are way more complex than your average fender bender.
Why is that?
Because you're not just dealing with the driver. Often there's the trucking company, insurance companies, maybe even the manufacturer of a defective part. A specialized attorney knows how to investigate all potential liable parties.
Makes sense. What else should people consider?
Look for someone who has a strong track record. Have they won similar cases? What kind of settlements or verdicts have they secured for their clients?
And how can you find that out?
Most firms will highlight their successes on their website. You can also check independent review sites and see what former clients are saying.
Good point. What about local knowledge? Does that matter?
Definitely. Nevada has its own specific traffic laws and regulations for commercial vehicles. A local attorney is going to be much more familiar with these nuances. Plus, they'll know the local courts and judges.
So it's not just about finding any lawyer, it's about finding the right lawyer.
Exactly. You need someone who understands the complexities of truck accident cases and has a proven ability to get results in Las Vegas.
What kind of questions should people ask when they're consulting with potential attorneys?
Ask about their experience with truck accident cases specifically. How many cases have they handled? What were the outcomes? Also, ask about their approach to investigating these types of accidents.
What do you mean by that?
A good attorney will have a team of experts they work with, accident reconstructionists, medical professionals, investigators, to build a strong case.
Okay, so experience, track record, local knowledge, and a strong investigative approach. Anything else?
Communication. You want an attorney who is responsive and keeps you informed every step of the way. Truck accident cases can take time, so it's important to have someone who is patient and explains things clearly.
And what about fees? How do most truck accident attorneys charge?
Most personal injury attorneys, including those specializing in truck accidents, work on a contingency fee basis.
What does that mean?
It means you don't pay any upfront fees. The attorney only gets paid if they win your case. Their fee is a percentage of the settlement or verdict.
That sounds like a good arrangement. So to recap, if you're looking for the best truck accident lawyer in Las Vegas, you should prioritize experience, a proven track record, local knowledge, a strong investigative approach, clear communication, and a contingency fee arrangement.
Precisely. Don't be afraid to shop around and talk to a few different attorneys before making a decision. The stakes are too high to settle for anything less than the best.
What a relief. Getting into an accident with big rigs is a nightmare, but at least having a specialized lawyer to lean on can give you the peace of mind and justice you deserve.
Exactly. It's about finding someone who will be your advocate and fight for your rights every step of the way.
To learn more, check out the listed sources below.